Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Olivier and Alima. Today I'm going to show you how to find niches to work on this summer, how to confirm the demand, how to be unique when creating your design, and where to find graphic to use for your design. If this is something you are interested in, please consider like and subscribe and activate the notification bell for any further video. Let's get right into it. First of all, welcome. If it's your first time, my name is Oliver and I'm giving you tips and tricks on how to make money online with Printful. So the first subject is how to find niches to work on this summer. What we're gonna do in order to do that is simply to go on Google and type in, for example, list of outdoor activities. During summer, people would like certainly to go outside and do activities with family and friends. So once you do that, you will find a bunch of websites that talk about it. Let's open, for example, the first one here, which is say outdoor recreation. And you have a long list here of activities: biking, camping, fishing, etc. If you are in lower tier, what I suggest you is to work between 1 and 3 niches. But if you are on higher tier, like me for example, tier 20,000, I highly suggest everyone to work on all the niches available. If you create, let's say, 10 to 20 designs for each niches, it's gonna be beneficial for you. So for lower tier, what we're gonna do to confirm the niches, and this is the second question here, how to confirm the demand. We're gonna go to Google Trend. You type in on your address bar trend.google.com. You change the country to United States, and let's say, for example, this one here, diving, and we're gonna compare with other niches as well. So we're gonna compare diving with biking. We're gonna compare diving with biking, and let's take another one: camping, fishing, hunting, etc. Okay. So we can see that camping is very high, diving and biking low. When I want to create design like that, because camping is pretty much everyone will work on camping design certainly. So I will I'm gonna remove the niches that are very high compared to the other, and start work on the other one. Let's say, for example, either diving or biking. Okay, so you compare like that and you select the one that is higher. For example, in my case here, diving is high, so this is the niche that I'm gonna work on. Now, how to be creative with your design. I say how to be unique when creating your design here. So I'm gonna remove the biking, which is right there, and I'm gonna check and I'm gonna dig down on the diving niche. On the past 30 days, I can see that the diving hobby was most searched in Hawaii, Massachusetts, Alaska, Vermont, and Florida. So if you want to be unique, you need to create diving design on Hawaii, Massachusetts, Alaska, Vermont, and Florida, because these are the ones where diving is searched the most. Okay, so if you create your design on Hawaii with diving, for sure, because they search a lot, people are gonna see your design and people are gonna find. Yes, the research is not done on Amazon, but Google, if you create your design and you put the right keyword, when people are gonna search on Google for Hawaii diving, for sure Google will show your design on top of the search. Okay, and if I go on Google and search again where to dive in Hawaii, best spots to dive in Hawaii, I'm gonna see a few islands here, and I can see here a quote that we can even use. It is always diving season in Hawaii. So this is a really good quote that you can write for your t-shirt. Here it is, guys, a quote that you can write on your t-shirt. So it is always diving season in Hawaii. And because we know that we have Massachusetts, Alaska, Vermont, and Florida, you can definitely create design that say, for example, it is always diving season in Massachusetts, in California, etc., etc. Okay. Now, to find graphics to use for your design is to simply go to 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗥𝗔. And if you use the link below, you can try 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗥𝗔 for just $1 for 30 days. Okay, let's say I'm typing here diving silhouette. Okay, I want to see all these silhouettes, and let's say I want to create a sunset design with a diving silhouette on it. If I go again, if I come here again and I type sunset bundle, and I select bundle here, you can see all these ones. For example, 240 retro vintage sunset. And as I said again, using the link below, for just $1 for 30 days, you will be able to download these 243 retro design and all other bundle or graphics in this website, 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗥𝗔. So this is a huge bargain. You definitely need to take it into consideration. If you are a subscriber of 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗥𝗔, good. But if not, definitely take advantage using the link. So using your graphic and your sunset, you will be able to create beautiful design like this one. Hawaii with simply a sunset retro and a silhouette of a diver. This is what I wanted to share with you today. If you like, please consider like and subscribe. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.